Want to make money without leaving home during this coronavirus pandemic? Do you want to figure out ways to make money online? In this video, I'm going to share top 17 ways that you can make money at home. Be safe, be smart, and start to make money. Let's get into the video.
Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
Hey guys, welcome back to the TechWine. I am Malik. In this channel, I'm helping people to increase their passive income and earn some extra money and also some tech solutions. If this is the first time you're in my video, make sure to subscribe. Let's start by number 17. Number 17 is sell your photos. Do you have photo skills or live in an area where images are in demand? Stock photography websites are huge repositories of photographs covering almost every possible subject you could imagine. So how does it work? Photographers can upload their images to any one of number of huge databases, allowing magazine editors, designers, or any organization with a website to buy them. And the beauty of stock websites, photos can be sold any number of times, so you can continue to make money without any effort. Photography sites to check out and include shutterstock.com, photoshelter, and Getty Images. Number 16 is going to be create how-to videos. In recent years, YouTube has grown into the go-to source for all manner of video courses and guides. Instructors can monetize their videos by charging a subscription fee or password protecting content for paying customers only. Hey guys, YouTube is a great platform. YouTube is a great search engine second to Google. And there every second there is a lots of videos are uploading and lots of viewers are looking for a content. Some looking for tutorials. If you know how to cook, you can make cooking videos. If you are fluent in English, you can teach them English in YouTube. You can play games on YouTube. People are allowed to watch. They are enjoying when you are playing games. They are allowed to watch that. So start tutorial videos, teaching videos, game playing videos. You can entertain them. They love it. YouTube is a great platform. You can make money at home. Number 15 is going to be become a copywriter. To earn great income no matter where you live, a house by the sea in Latin America, and a historic European city, or even on a Greek island, copywriting could be ideal for you. Copywriting is a mega industry ripe with opportunity and yearning for people who can fill it with fresh marketing messages. And one of the best benefits of the freelance copywriter's lifestyle is that you can get paid in US dollars. You live virtually anywhere in the world. Express Writers has tips on how to become a copywriter and also resource for a job. Number 14. Teach English. If you are a native English speaker, you may not realize it, but you already have the number of qualifications you need for a fun, portable income that can hand you a steady paycheck from anywhere in the world. Some resources include GoOverseas.com, TeachAway.com, Teach English Online to Chinese Students, iTutor Group, Teach English Online to Taiwanese Children and Adults, and EnglishHunt.com, Teach English on the phone to adult students in Korea. In the beginning, I told you guys tutorial videos on YouTube. That's a great way. That's a great platform. YouTube is the best platform you can make money at home. Try it. Number 13. Turn your interest into a podcast that pays. Podcasting doesn't have to be complicated. With a microphone, laptop, and free recording software, you will be up and running. Plus, podcasts don't need to run every day. Once a week is best, and are better when they are short. There are a number of ways to make money from a podcast. The most obvious is commercial sponsorship, but you can also use it as a platform to advertise your own podcast or service. NPR.org has a great guide to launching a podcast. Number 12. Set up a content and web development business. Do you know how to do web and content development? You can offer these services to anyone via online tools that make developing beautiful websites snap. Some resources include WordPress, BB, and Joomla are the best resources that you can manage your website. They are the best content management systems in the world. You can manage the website very easily and you can make eye-catching websites for your customer, and they are very helpful to build your websites. WordPress, VB, and Joomla. Try guys, I'm also using those resources. You can make money at home, you don't need to leave your home. Let's check number 11. Number 11. Become a translator and interpreter. Do you speak another language? Anyway, you find expat communities, and where English is not the first language, you'll find a need for interpreting and translation services. You can also do translation and interpretation online. You'll find a number of resources for being a translator or an interpreter in these websites. One of the best is Welcolize, which ranked at the top of the list of the top 20 companies for remote jobs in 2020. Number 10. Try dropshipping. Have you heard of dropshipping? It's a method of retail where the seller doesn't actually have a physical inventory. Instead, when a customer makes an order, you purchase the item from the third party and they ship it directly to the customer. This means you'll never have to fork over a single dime to store your products or maintain your inventory. And you'll never have to buy products in bulk, hoping to sell enough to recoup your investment. This method can be done with online selling platforms like eBay or Amazon. You can find out more about dropshipping in this link, which is provided by Shopify. Number 9. Tutor. Establishing your own tutoring service can be a lucrative business that provides you with a comfortable and flexible lifestyle. The best part of all, you can set up a tutoring business in almost any country in the world. A small tip again, offer discounts to clients who promote your business. Word of mouth marketing is still one of the most valuable marketing tools you can have when starting out. The site tutors.com has a list of the best online tutoring jobs, and you can also apply to be a tutor at tutorme.com. Number 8. Become a freelance proofreader. Proofreading is another lucrative online career. Most agencies will pay around 25% of the price of translated document to a proofreader. Agencies charge about $75 for the translation of 5 pages standard business document. So proofing the same document, which take about an hour, pays out about $18 to $20. You can work full-time, part-time, or around the clock. Media Bistro, a site that offers resources for media professionals. Number 7. Type for cash. A fast typist, transcribing is simple. Listen to an audio file through headphones and type it out. As a transcriber, your pay is directly related to how fast you type. Transcription jobs are paid by the audio hour, the length of the audio file, rather than by the hour worked. The time spent on a transcript is influenced by the audio quality, background noise, the accent of the speaker, and the speed at which people speak. The average transcriber typing between 75 and 100 words per minute will complete one audio hour in 4 hours worked. Consider the company Rave.com, which hires freelance transcribers. Number 6. Create a money-making blog. Do you have an area of expertise? Share your advice on blog. If your travel is your area of expertise, think about what you have to offer. Are you an expert in luxury travel or budget travel? Can you share advice about certain activities like hiking or shopping? The more specific you get, the easier it will be to attract an engaged audience and to earn money with your site. The sites Squarespace and Wix have tips on how to create blogs and can also host them. Number 5. Tap into the ebook business. The ebook business is a great way to earn money. You can create your own or find a book that's already been published in print and license it to publish online. You can pay the author 8 to 15% royalties based on the net sales or a one-time payment for the online publishing rights. Number 4. Set up an online course. Or go beyond writing an ebook and create a whole online course with tutorials, PDF downloads and videos. It's a great way to create passive income because people will pay for the info and can go at their own pace or paste questions related to the course in a dedicated group. Here's one resource for creating a selling online course, learnwords.com, which makes it possible for anyone to profit from their knowledge and experience by creating an online program. Number 3. Become a life coach. Life coaching is a thought-provoking and creative process that helps people focus on both personal and professional goals. People use life coaching to overcome fears, boost their self-confidence, create goals, and instill success-oriented habits. You can find thousands of online training programs on how to be a life coach, and many certification programs offer an entire website set up once training is completed. If travel is your area of expertise, you can even become a travel coach. Number 2. Become an audio narrator. Audiobooks are an increasingly popular form of entertainment. The convenience factor of smartphones has led to an industry boom that's creating a demand for freelance narrators. This link has advice on learning how to become an audiobook narrator. Number 1. Internet research and surveys. Another way to make good money is by surfing the internet in your spare time or filling out online surveys. If you're looking for a way to make an extra $1,000 or $2,000 a month part-time, then internet research is for you. At the site, cue me to your browser, and if you click on search result, you'll earn money. You can also earn cash for taking QMe surveys and sharing your opinions on brands. Other survey sites include Survey Boards, Survey Junkie, and Valued Opinions. Another way to make series of small cash rewards while on the go. With the new app Current, travelers can make up to an extra $600 a year by simply listening to music and performing various tasks. With the new app Current, travelers can make up to an extra $600 a year by simply listening to music and performing various tasks. Okay guys, these are the top 17 ways that you can make money at home in this coronavirus time. You don't need to leave your home. Be safe, be smart. I'll see you in next video. If you like this video, smash that like button, share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comment below. I love to read your comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for today. I'll see you in next video. I'm your Malik with TechWine. Have a nice day guys.